And no, we are not sisters.
Do 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 do.
Hey, Queer Factor.
What's up?
We're 16,
Born and raised in Tampa, Florida.
and we fucking hate it.
Definitely. Don't move here.
Yeah, don't move here. It's good to visit here, but
Topic. Stay on topic.
Stay on topic. So, anyways, we would really like to audition for Queer Factor
For a number of reasons.
a number, a very large number. Okay. So, anyways, one of the reasons is that
We would make a fantastic addition to Queer Factor. Amazing. Just
Yeah.
definitely.
And that's because we're queer, of course, lesbians.
Obviously.
And we're a couple.
For 8 months.
8 months. Yeah.
And we're young.
And we're
Go
young.
us.
Go us, yeah, young and in love. So anyways, we have been watching season 1 of Queer Factor, and we are in love with the videos. We love how there's a topic each week, and no matter what the topic, I watch the videos. And I really enjoyed the topics about like the coming out stories because it helps. It helps a lot.
People.
It does. And we feel like that we should give back as well, since you guys really helped us a lot. And we feel like we should really give back to people who are either coming out, just came out, have been out, because we've been out for a while.
Yeah.
A few years.
We could like help them through it if they're at
Yeah.
our age.
Even though we're young, we've had a lot of experiences with being queer as a couple, individually. There's just been a lot, and we could really share these experiences and help somebody out who's also had the same experiences or felt the same way. So, more about us. We go to high school.
Sophomores.
Sophomores.
Oh, no.
Unfortunately, we need to graduate because
We're too mature for our age.
we are. And that's why people either like us or hate us, because we're really mature and we're honest with what
Don't
we
do drugs.
say. Yeah,
we don't do drugs. Go us.
We're straight edge. And we're straight edge.
And we're just completely open about our sexual orientation.
Yeah, and we're open as being a couple. Like, we'll walk around school holding hands, we'll kiss. It's not a big deal to us.
People hoot and holler though.
Yeah.
No teenage boys.
Little,
My gosh. Anyways.
they're crazy.
Back on
But
topic.
yeah, we just really want to give back.
You
And
inspire us. So
Yeah.
we make this audition video.
exactly.
For you.
For you and for everybody else.
Obviously. Anyways, we have a skit
Yeah, we have a skit
made for you
by
The Dyke.
and the Cake,
Hello.
which means Jew.
Sorry,
Don't
guys.
take that offensively if you're Jewish.
I'm Jewish. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Don't hate me.
Nobody's gonna hate you because you're Jewish.
I'm German too.
You German?
I'm German.
I'm
too.
German as well. And I'm half Puerto Rican. No, like 25%. I'm Italian.
She's Puerto Rican.
I'm not all Puerto Rican.
She's a Mexican.
I'm not a Mexican. God, you white girl.
I'm not white.
Anyways.
Anyway, sorry.
To our skit. Bye-bye. Shalom. Adios. How do you say it in French? Goodbye in French.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Peace. Warning. Do not try this at home.
Okay, guys. We're gonna take a dyke and turn her into a femme. You know what that is? Taking a manly woman who dresses like a man into a woman who dresses in high heels. Okay. Let's do this. That's her habitat. That's what they do every day. Are you ready for this?
What happened?
We're turning you into a femme.
I want my hammer back.
I'll give you your hammer back when you follow these 3 simple steps.
What are they?
First, stand over by that sand dollar on the ground right there.
Okay.
Next, stick your finger on the tip of your nose. Now spin around 3 times. Do you want your hammer now?
No, give me a purse.
This